I don't feel like doing anything today. I feel like I'm just really down in the dumps. I've been really down in the dumps lately. What do you think I should do? Hey friend, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I am Ethlyn. For today's lesson, you know what, honestly, I'm really feeling down in the dumps. So maybe we just shouldn't have the lesson. Now, for this idiom, you can do a lot with it, right? So when you're down in the dumps, your body language communicates it, your tone can communicate it. And so this idiom, in the first example, I said, I'm just really down in the dumps. I don't feel like doing anything. In the second example, I really didn't want to go anywhere. I'm just down in the dumps. What does it mean? It means to be really sad, just feel just miserable, horrible, you're just really bummed out. So these are all ways of expressing that we don't really feel that well. And so you would say, I'm feeling down in the dumps. I feel down in the dumps. I am down in the dumps. So we would use it with the verb to be, or we could use it with the verb to feel to express that we're really just sad. We don't feel well. So if you are just no longer excited about something, if you are feeling borderline depressed about something, you can communicate that by saying, I'm down in the dumps. My boyfriend just broke up with me. I just lost my job. My family's not coming to see me, even though they said they would. So it can be caused by many different things, really. So I want you to take a minute and think about a time when you felt down in the dumps. What happened and how did you come out of that? How did you lift your spirits so that you no longer felt sad, but you started to feel maybe a little bit happy, or you started to feel happier? Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you'll know when we release a new video. I'll see you next time.